Hello everyone, I know you guys always have been asking me since a long time now in my live classes, how exactly does the center look like? What all are the essentials do we need to carry with us? Today in this video, I'm going to make it pretty much clear and conspicuous to all of you. So today, I, Divya Agarwal, will take you inside the official IELTS exam center to see and check how does the real exam setup look like. So what are you thinking? Let's go. First of all, when you reach the test center, the security guard at the entrance ensures that you are authorized to enter the premises. After that, you are sent to a belongings counter, where you have to keep all your personal items such as your phone, bag, watch or any other belongings. The only thing you are allowed to keep with you is your passport. And please note that you don't have to carry anything else other than your passport. This is the only thing which you are allowed to take inside the center. Except for this, they'll be providing you the pen and paper, everything inside the center. Once your belongings are deposited, the staff asks if you are carrying anything else. After the verification, they allow you to go inside the center. Inside, you reach the registration desk. A staff member then takes you to the registration room, where the identity verification process begins. Now, the next step is this is your registration room, wherein let me show you what all other verification processes you have to go through. The first step, there is biometric fingerprint verification. You have to register your biometric at the time of registration. After the biometric verification, the staff gives you a sheet where you sign for identity verification. Then they click your photograph, which is recorded for your test profile. Also, if you're taking the IELTS for UKVI, you will need to complete a quick biometric finger scan at the center as a part of the registration process. Once all these formalities are completed, the staff escorts you to the listening, reading and writing waiting area. In the waiting area, you can sit comfortably and relax. There are LED screens displaying test day instructions, and at the same time, the staff also reads out instructions to guide the candidates. This time is mainly to help candidates stay calm and relaxed before the exam begins. You can sit peacefully and drink some water and wait until your name is called. When it is time for the test, the staff escorts you to the listening, reading and writing examination room. Inside the room, you sit at your assigned computer desk. This is the computer-based test area where your listening, reading and writing modules take place. Each student gets proper computer systems, comfortable sitting and a noise-cancelling headphones for your listening and a distraction-free environment. Your candidate details and test number will also be mentioned on the desk. You will be given your username and password to log in the desk label. You just have to log in from there. The clock's there in the testing room to ensure that you keep the track of time properly. Security and live monitoring are strict to ensure fair testing, but the environment's still comfortable and supportive. During the listening, reading and writing test, there are no official breaks allowed. However, if you urgently need to go to the washroom, you may request permission from the staff. The invigilators are always present in the room. If you face any issue such as a problem with your headphones or the computer, you can raise your hand and they will immediately come to assist you. After completing the listening, reading and writing sections, you are then taken to the speaking test waiting area. So this is your speaking test waiting area, wherein you just have to sit and peacefully wait until your name is called. So the environment is usually quiet and serene. You just need to relax before your name is called. Before entering the speaking room, the staff checks whether your headphones are working properly and everything is functioning correctly. Then you are escorted inside the speaking test room. Now this is your speaking test room, wherein you will have this exam via video call with a certified examiner. So treat it like a normal conversation. Stay confident and calm. So overall, the entire process is very organized and systematic, and the staff is always there to guide you at every step. Therefore, the most important thing on test day is simply to stay calm, follow the instructions and perform confidently. So guys, now that we are done covering the whole tour of this IELTS test center, now I guess you guys are pretty much clear with what all you have to take, what all you have to do and what are the crucial other steps we have at the test center. Now you have the less anxiety and much clarity in your minds. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and book this test now. Since we have the official partnership, the PW has official partnership with IELTS, you can avail the 450 off also on your application fee, since IELTS is accepted in more than 150 countries. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and book your exam now.